Do you have excess fat on your hips and thighs and you're looking for easy to do exercises? Because when you do strenuous exercises, you end up hurting your knee, and because of this, you're not able to maintain a consistency and you're not able to see the results. There is no squatting, no strenuous, no strict exercise in this very video, because I know how it feels when you're a plus size. I've been there, I know how it feels. I still remember the night when I cried myself to sleep at night because I had been to the gym and I had a leg day at the gym, and you know what it means. Such strict exercises that I couldn't go back for the next 10 days. That rather demotivated me and kept me away from these simple and fabulous exercises which you can do as a beginner like I did, and this is what has got me the results which I have achieved. This is just one simple exercise which you can do anytime, anywhere, any time of the day as a beginner, and you will see fabulous results because this is targeting your hip fat and your thigh fat. If you're looking to fit in your favorite pair of jeans with skinny legs, then this is your chance. Do not miss it. Come on all of you, now give me an affirmation. I want slim legs too, and this is a video just for you. Quickly comment below I want slim legs too, so we can begin with the easy exercise. And don't be selfish. If you have any friend, relative, anybody you know who actually looking for a video like this, who is big on hip and thighs, they can surely also use these exercises. So no being selfish. It is time for you to show your love for the loved ones in your family. Share this video with them too. And don't forget to like this video right away before we get into the exercise. So let's begin with the super and easy exercise. But before you get into the exercise, this is the thumb rule. You have to do an easy warm-up session. For that, I'm going to show you an easy exercise which is like this. It's a high knee exercise, but you don't have to do it very fast. You just have to do it slowly. And this is going to work your glutes, your hips, your thigh, all your muscles. Well done. Come on now that you've done the easy, simple warm-up, it's time to show you the main moves, which is so simple. Just stand straight, stretch your leg a little to the side and lift it all the way up so your toe can touch your hand, the palm of your hand, like this. And then we're going to take it forward and then like this. I'm going to teach you how to do it with a count so it's easier and rhythmic. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we're done with the right side of our leg, and I can feel the stretch and strain all along this area. But what about this leg? We have to do this leg too. Don't forget. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 There's another very fascinating variation for this very exercise which you need to learn too, because then it will be a comprehensive one simple move for you to get rid of your hip and thigh fat. Now instead of taking a leg in the front, we're going to take it in the back like this. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let me turn around and show it to you just in case you have any doubts or queries. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 This is how easy it is, which you can do it too. Now let's do it with the other leg. Now we're going to do it with this very leg because I can feel the stretch and strain in this leg now. We've done both the variations. This time for this leg we have to do the second variation. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Well done. Super proud of all of you for doing this exercise. So easy, so simple. I'm sure you've enjoyed today's simple and easy move and you're sure going to do it along with me every single day. If you wish to join my paid weight loss program, which is a fascinating program in which you will learn so much about your own body, what diet suits you, what doesn't suit you, how you can lose weight eating all your favorite foods, your likes, your dislikes, your preferences, everything is taken into consideration. And also along with you, I will be assigning a team of a doctor, a dietitian, health counselor there to take care of you, and I will be supervising the entire process just to make sure that you do achieve your results and do get a fabulous transformation. I'm sure if you join the program, you're bound to see amazing results. All you have to do is click on the link given below and join my weight loss program. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.